Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel formulas step by step. To begin, every formula you create in Excel must start with an equal sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a calculation, not just text. Formulas allow you to perform powerful operations, from simple arithmetic to complex data analysis, across your spreadsheet. We will cover the essential components and foundational principles to get you started right away, making your data work for you. Once you understand the equal sign, you can perform basic arithmetic. For addition, use the plus sign. For subtraction, the minus sign. Multiplication uses an asterisk, and division uses a forward slash. Remember, just like in standard math, parentheses dictate the order of operations. For example, 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 14, but 2 plus 3 in parentheses times 4 equals 20. Beyond basic arithmetic, Excel offers hundreds of powerful functions. Some of the most frequently used include SUM, which adds up a range of numbers, and average, which calculates their mean. Count helps you quickly tally numerical entries, while MAX and MIN efficiently find the largest and smallest values in your data set. These functions save you significant time and effort. A crucial concept for advanced formulas is cell referencing. Relative references, like A1, change when you copy a formula to a new location. Absolute references, such as $1, always point to the same cell. Mixed references fix either the column or the row. You can easily cycle through these types by pressing the F4 key on your keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.